Well, we got another package. Alright, go take a look. What we got here? Hi everybody, welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. It looks like we have another package from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Looks like this will be a quick video today. I already pulled the manifest off the package, and we can go ahead and take a look at here. This is again from ArmyandOutdoors.com. They do have a variety of items, but again, this was just a quick purchase. And let's take a look. Go ahead and rip it open most of the way. Let's finish this out. Looks like 3 of the same thing. And these are supposed to be East German Rain Camouflage trousers. So let's see how these are put together here. Let's start with the waistband. The back here looks like we have points for attaching suspenders. Let's see if I get the cuff there. Slightly elasticized. So we got how many points? 1 in the middle, right there, and then 2 towards the front. We have a used to be a label, but looks like everything's faded off of there. And we have a M52. Pockets are slash with this button closure like that. Interesting. Other side, same thing. Slash pockets with a button over closure. There are no belt loops. Again, slightly elasticized. If we work our way, let's see how are these actually closed. Find the waist again. Looks like they're button fly, with the top button being an inner button, like so. I don't know what my feelings on that are. Yeah. I guess I hope from getting caught on other things. And there's only one button on the fly right there. Interesting. Let's see, working our way to any cargo pockets. Looks like we have them on the side with button closure, like so. You can see there's a different fabric on the inner flap right there. Same on the other side. Button closure, this one is buttoned. Pockets aren't very deep. You can see the stitching right there to the bottoms. We're at the knees right there, no reinforcements. And then the cuffs of the pants have a button, 2 buttons at the bottom, so you could tighten them up, I guess, like that. Inside material like that. Anything else? Not really. I guess we'll take a quick look at the other pairs. That's pair number 1, set number 1. Set number 2 feels a little bit more crisp. Same sets of suspender points. This one says G52. Oh. And there are more buttons on the fly. So, same closures on the pockets and on the cuffs. So these seem bigger. Let's see if I can tell by comparison. Real quick, just on inseam and pant length. So we stretch these out real quick. Put these in comparison. This is the M, this is the G. Cuffs are about the same. Maybe just slightly bigger. Waistband size. Yeah, these definitely seem like bigger waist. Well, maybe not. very slightly bigger on the waist. This is the G behind here, so that's much, maybe 2 inches wider on the waist. Interesting. Third set, let's see what these are. G52. Okay, so that's cool. Somebody's going to get the skinny pair. And then we got the same deal with the buttons. So G52, very new looking too. These might be on issue. So that's about it. Again, these are East German rain camouflage trousers from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. We got a large variety of items, not just clothing. And feel free to check out the other unboxing and show and tell videos on my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.